In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change Google Sheet to dark mode. Let's get started. Actually, there is no built-in feature to change the theme to dark mode in Google Sheet. Even though you change the Google account settings to dark mode. As you can see, I changed my Google account to dark mode, but it won't reflect to Google Sheet. So if this is the case, we're gonna use Chrome extension. So head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Dark Mode Night Eye. I have already installed this extension. And once you install this extension, all you have to do is just jump back to the Google Sheet and hit refresh. So let me turn this on and refresh it. There you go. So it changes to the dark mode. That's exactly how you use dark mode in Google Sheet. Thank you for watching.